Hey guys, hope everybody's staying safe out there. This is kind of a short video today. It's just I had a lot of people asking about the power steering pump and how you hook up the power steering lines on these Colorados. It's really not difficult at all. The actual pressure line, the fitting on the Colorado will thread right into the power steering pump. It's really not difficult. I would recommend putting that fitting in before you mount the pump up. That's what I did here. It can be hard to get down in there behind there to get that threaded in once the pump bracket is installed. So I'd highly recommend doing it like I did there. I put it on off of the engine and then put the bracket on the engine after I had the fitting in. It's just a lot easier, and because I've done it the other way before. I've put the bracket on first and then tried to put the fitting on, and on one of my other LS swaps I did, and it can be difficult to get it in there. There's not a lot of room back there to get it tightened up. So, but anyway, yeah, put that fitting in first. And then there's the return line there. You can see how long it is. It's way too long. So what I do here is I actually just cut the pipe down a little lower because it's just way too long. There's too much piping there. So I just cut that off, and then I grab the flaring tool and I just flare the end of the pipe a little tiny bit. It doesn't take very much, and then I just put a hose and a hose clamp over that pipe where I flared it, and then that just goes up to the return on the pump. So just shorten it up and made it look a lot better. So definitely looks a lot better. Anyway, there's not much to it. Like I said, this is going to be a short video. I just thought I'd do a video on installing this pump because I had people asking me on when I did put the 6 liter in this truck. I had some guys ask me about it, and I had when I did my other, I had a 2004 or 5 Colorado, I think it was. I have videos on that one too also, but I had people asking me about the power steering lines and the pump and hooking that up on that one too. So I just decided to do a video just on this. So hopefully this will answer a lot of people's questions, and it's not that difficult. Like I said, everything threads right in, so and it mounts right up. So anyway, enjoy this video. Everybody stay safe. Watch, like, and subscribe my videos. It'd be great. I appreciate it. I appreciate everybody that's watching, and I appreciate the questions too. So anyway, enjoy.
Okay guys, so that's it for today. Just thought I'd mount that power steering pump and alternator bracket on there, and I'm getting ready there to put the intake on, so that'll probably be in the next video. But this video is going to be a little short because I had people asking me about these lines on the Colorados and getting them hooked up to the power steering pump, and everything just bolts in, screws in. There's no issues really. You can use the stock lines right off of Colorado. They'll bolt, or there's the fitting on the back screws right in or threads right into the power steering pump. So really there's nothing to change or modify really. I did the return line there, I did shorten it up some because it was sticking way out. It was all out here in this area, and it just looks a little cleaner there, keeps it tucked back a little bit, kind of out of the way. So yeah, anyway, so yeah, next will be the intake. I'm just getting ready to put that on, and that'll be in the next video. So yeah, it's coming along good. Anyway, thanks for watching.